Hey DIY enthusiasts! Are you dreaming of a bathroom remodel but wondering if you can pull it off yourself? Today I'm breaking down the essentials you need to know before diving into a DIY bathroom renovation. First things first, planning and design. Assess your space. Take a good look at your current layout and see what changes are feasible. Then set a budget. This will help you make smart choices when picking materials and fixtures. Need inspiration? Explore design ideas to nail down your desired aesthetic. Next up is demolition. Safety first, guys. Make sure all utilities like water and electricity are turned off before you start tearing things apart. Remove fixtures carefully. Take out that old cabinetry and flooring that's gotta go. Now let's talk plumbing and electrical work. Updating these systems might be necessary to fit your new fixtures. And hey, don't hesitate to call in a licensed pro for the tricky stuff. It's crucial to comply with local codes. On to installations. Start with moisture-resistant drywall and durable flooring, crucial for a bathroom. Then install your new bathtubs, showers, toilets, and sinks according to your design plan. Finally, the finishing touches. Add cabinetry and storage solutions to maximize space and functionality. Paint and trim to give it that polished look. And don't forget accessories like mirrors and lighting to enhance the appeal. A DIY bathroom remodel is totally doable with careful planning and execution. Follow these steps and you'll have a stunning bathroom that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. Thanks for watching and happy remodeling.